just sitting there in the sun, doing no harm to anyone, laughing and singing and praying all day long. He's got his blanket, he's got his jeans, a pair of boot jacket was all he needs. He was living there each day just for today. Woodpecker, how do you do today? Woodpecker, come and sing with me. Woodpecker, won't you make my day so bright? They call him Woodpecker for he's all over bright, of many colors shining day and night, like a great spotted woodpecker always keep on shining. Those were the days I joined him there, sitting in the English garden where the hippies and the gypsies would sing and dance and play around the square. Those were the days of careless love, those were the days I often loved, skipping the school and sitting in the sun and smoking and drinking, having much fun. Woodpecker, how do you do today? Woodpecker, come and sing with me. Woodpecker, won't you make my day so bright? They call him Woodpecker for he's all over bright, of many colors shining day and night, like a great spotted woodpecker always keep on shining. One day I couldn't find him there, when fall was coming he would disappear. I suppose that he moved on to the sound, so I went back to school again, worked my way through the years again, remembering Woodpecker now and then, with sadness in my heart, with sadness in my heart. Woodpecker, are you hanging out today? Woodpecker, won't you come and sing with me? Woodpecker, won't you help and make me happy? They call him Woodpecker for he's all over bright, of many colors shining day and night, like a great spotted woodpecker always keep on shining.